October 29th, 2018. Facing east, it is 1:10 p.m. With wind this strong, you would think they wouldn't be able to put chemtrails, but they are. I'm looking for them, but it's so hazy it's hard to see them. Comes from over there, so he's going to be floating around here somewhere. Doesn't look like I'm going to catch him right this moment, so I want to see something real quick. Yeah, I'm going to get another full pull back on this because the sun has a halo around it. Alright, be safe out there. Peace out. October 29th, 2018. Follow the blue dot. We got a halo around the sun. Looky there. Yep. That's what we got, alright. Wonder if I'll catch it with this. Yeah, see? Go around in a circle. Alright, peace out. October 29th, 2018. 3:18 p.m. Skyview. That was the north. This is the west. And this one's the go-getter right here. Down south. Look at that. Yep. East. And notice the sun is white. Not yellow. Is white. Alright everybody, be safe out there. Peace out. October 29th, 2018. 4:08 p.m. Wind's mellowed out a little bit. It's not so bad. They did a good little wave here earlier. And that's the remnants of it. It's almost gone. But I mean, shoot. They pounded up here. They pounded north in the morning. Then they pounded us here in the valley. Anything south of Sacramento but north of Fresno, they just pounded us. Now it's going down towards Fresno. They're pounding them now. It's like they're doing sections of California at a time. It's ridiculous. I caught them doing black coal fly ash. I mean, you name it, I've seen it. It's been black MIC jets, black MIC helicopters flying over, and they fly over my house like really slow. It's like, if you want to put a definition to targeting, you can almost think that somewhere, somehow, people who do what I'm doing right now, one way or another, they're targeted. That's all I got to say about that. Enough with that conspiracy baloney. Anyway, let's do the finger test, or the thumb test, well, pinky test. Yeah, see? There's no yellow. There's like a pink aura around the outside. Like a pinkish auburn. See there, look. The sun's white. Look at that. It's white. There's no yellow to it. There's no orange to it. It's white. But once it gets past right here, it starts to go down a little bit, it'll go like this. Woof, and it'll change to an orange yellow. Just like over here. When the sun comes up right here, it's orange yellow. But by the time it gets to that top canopy of that tree, it turns white. It looks like this right here. I know this doesn't look white because the camera's not catching it. Right now the camera's overwhelmed with light. It doesn't know what to do. I've got it to the dimmest that I can get right now because I'm doing a daytime shot with the sun. Anyway, it's hard to see, but the very last trail's left right there. It's starting to dissipate, but it's like a curly Q. So, again, I always keep forgetting, nothing above my head, clear as a bell. But I guarantee there will be more of this going on today, and especially at sunset. Go over here. I can barely make out the mountain range. Go over here. Okay, I can see that a little bit better, but there's like a smogish haze that's just ridiculous. And all this, I'm telling everybody right now, I've been out here watching this all day. This is coming out of the back of planes. It is not rolling in with the wind. It is coming from the back of airplanes. That's all I gotta say. This is ridiculous. Like that. Look, it's curved, but that's a straight line like a ruler across the top. Nature doesn't do that. Right here. Straight as an arrow. All right. Just something for everybody to think about, food for thought. You guys can call me a crackpot, whatever you want, I don't care. I pretty much live my life out here on this ranch. I maintain it. I'm out more than I am indoors. So I see a lot of things, and there's a lot of this stuff that I miss, that I don't even get a chance to come in the house and grab my camera and take a picture of. I just witness it with my eyes. So whenever I get something that's spectacular and people watch it, they actually, oh wow, I can't believe that that happened to you. It's like I have one, if you guys go back months, like towards the beginning, I would say try November last year. If not, it was around January, February of this year. There was a Coast Guard plane that flew over that was from the past, and I literally got it flying like this. And it was just, it wasn't even like these low-flying planes that fly over my barn. And it was spewing black out of all 4 engines. All over my field, all over my property. I called the FAA. They had no knowledge of it whatsoever. And come to find out, I did some research, and as low as they go, they seem to like fall off the radar. The radar picks anything up above 500 feet. So either somebody's lying to me, or they were just flying under the radar. Also, I got one, it's a bluebelly, I call it. It was a jet. It come flying right through here between my barn and those cherry trees, and it literally made my pine tree swing back and forth, and I caught that on video. You guys might want to go back and check that one out too. I've had so many low flies out here that it's like I feel like I'm being intimidated. Anyway, talking everybody's ear off. Everybody be safe out there. Peace out. Alright, we're going to stare at the sun now. Haven't done this in a while. Sun filtered, October 29, 2018, 4:17 p.m. A little bit of wind. Not as bad as earlier though. I just want to get the sun filtered. It's white. That's all I gotta say. It is white. Filter makes it look green, but it is white. And you can tell the difference in the color, because when you see a sunset of mine with the filter, the sun is a totally different color. The background's green, yes, that's the filter itself. But when it looks at the sun and the sun's yellow, you can tell the sun's got like a yellowish orange haze to it. Right now, it's like a white in the center of the sun. That's what I'm saying. The sun is white, like a bluish white. Alright everybody, be safe out there. Peace out.